Welcome back, Daydreamer. And today, welcome back, Daydreamer. Today, welcome back, Daydreamer. Today's episode is maybe a different shirt. Welcome back, Daydreamer. Today's episode, no. Welcome back, Daydreamer. Welcome back, Daydreamer. Welcome back, Daydreamer. I am losing my
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
Welcome back to whatever this is. I'm completely losing it. I've tried to work on a lot of kits, and I need a change of pace. I still enjoy Gunpla, I still want to make some more kits, and I still want to make videos. So it's nothing like that. I'm just kind of losing it. I'm a bit of a extroverted introvert. Basically what that means is I really do like hanging out with people. I enjoy entertaining and doing things and being out in the world. But most of the time I want to stay at home. I'm a homebody. You know, I can entertain myself. I consider myself my own best friend, as it were. Here's the deal. Having no one around except one other adult, my wife, my beautiful, wonderful wife, who is also extremely stressed to the max over all of the goings-on of the day. There is a lot of micro and macro problems that are happening, and it's easily the cause of a lot of stress and turmoil and just like, you know, anxiety for anybody. And then she goes to her job, works with animals, dogs. They pass off the animal at the door. Everything is closed off and least contact possible. I feel that she's, you know, in a very secure place, having to work still. I'm extremely lucky that I get to work from home. I'm stuck in a situation where I'm still home, and I'm lucky enough to still be able to work and earn money for me and my family, but I am at home all day. But I'm working, so I have none of the time. I'm torn, guys, and I'm kind of starting to freak out. I think this is what cabin fever is like. Probably not. I'm probably just completely overreacting. Long story short, I need a change of pace. So let's go get a change of pace for this episode, okay? Okay. Nice little change of scenery. Hopefully it's better. Yeah. Man. I'm not really an outside person, but it's nice out here. So, change it up a little bit, take it easy, let the stress melt away, and finish the RGM 79 kit. It's going to go with our Zagok diorama. Needs to get done, needs to get finished. Let's get it done. Let's see what I've got. Okay. The batteries died. So, it's new shirt, new me, new day. I really, really hope this turns out better than before. Let's get started. If you're wondering, this is well, it's wobbly because it's on pavers, but it's a unpolished, uncured, unfinished, essentially, Purple Heart little table that I made in my shop, and I like it quite a lot. Our GM is basically done. The brilliant, absolutely brilliant orange color that this is, it's like fluorescent, and I just hate it. So at least this guy's gonna get a paint job. Most of the arms are done as well. Man, that sunlight is bright. Let's change this around a little. So, I'm having to hide from the sun. Yeah, fluorescent orange. Nope. So glad that's getting painted. If you've ever built the Easy 8, it's this. You can see it even on the runners. It says Easy 8 RGM RX 79. So that's the at least, yeah, I think it's the whole thing. If it's not the hips too, it's at least the waist section. It's at least the hips all the way down to the feet. Same mold, same pieces, same parts. Even the sides will open up like that, and that you can put a spare beam saver down in there, and then that closes back. So that's going to be kind of cool. I do like the weapon loadout on this, and really and truly, guys, you can see how low the sun is getting. It's now right in my face. So probably they're going to take this back inside or just finish up. I tell you what, we're out here. It's nice. Feeling better. Feeling a lot less crazy. I get a little outside time, even though it's been frustrating with the battery dying and all that kind of thing. But, you know, it's fine. It's fine. I basically built the entire torso, the waist section, out here before I realized that the battery was off. It's got some great weapons with it here. So right here is the weapons pack that it comes with. I think it's really, really good. It's fantastic. What I'm going to use is the rocket launcher, and then I want to make some explosions in the water next to charge the Gok. So that's going to hopefully be really, really good, you know, to look at. But then I also have a spare early war like sniper rifle. I probably will use the shield as well, and then a couple of extra rifles and a couple of extra beam sabers. So I mean, that's pretty cool. If I ever decide to do a different 8th MS team kind of build, which I really like, it's one of my favorite ones. And you know, let me know what your favorite Gundam is, or Gundam show. I'm always interested in that kind of stuff. So you guys let me know, you know, what do you like to watch, or do you just like to build Gunpla? And if that is the case, then please let me know. We're gonna definitely do the rocket launcher though, for this one. And I will say that the backpack as well is pretty cool, really, in just how it goes together and how articulated how the thrusters articulate back and forth. That's a lot of movement there. So, and those are on a ball joint, so then they can kind of move and wiggle a little bit back and forth as well. That's pretty cool, guys. I think that's pretty cool. Where is it? It was going to show it to you. Yeah. So it's right here. Ah, right there. Holy moly. It is bright. Yeah, right there. So since it's so bright, I can't see anything, and I've basically just got shoulders and hands, and then the rocket launcher and the shield to build. That tends to be some of the easiest stuff in the world. I'm not going to just sit here and build this, you know, these pieces and just have you watch me do it. That's stupid. If you do want to build along sometime, also let me know that in the comments below. I streamed on Twitch. I'm not sure exactly how the vernacular goes because I'm old fogey and I'm not used to that. But I have been around long enough to know, you know, a time before YouTube or even Google. So yeah, I do remember the days where if you needed to search something, you went to web crawler. I am really old. So please leave me that stuff below if you guys ever want to build with me. I'm considering doing more in the way of Twitch, maybe on weekends or on Friday nights, or you know, just times where it's decompressed time for most people, and you just build along and you chat. So if that's what you feel like you might want to do, or it seems interesting in some way, please let me know, and then I know that, you know, there's enough people that actually would get something out of it. I should do it. If you haven't yet, please like this video if you feel just as crazy being locked up in the house as I do. And don't forget to tell me about your favorite Gundam show, or if you only build Gunpla and you don't watch the show. And of course, if you want to build along with me on Twitch. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Please hit that notification bell so that you know whenever I put out more crazy videos like this. And we're one step closer to diorama time. And, well, kit customization time and diorama time. But we're doing 2 kits this time, so this is going to be a big project, and I'm really excited for it. Check out these videos up here if you want to see more builds from me and different things that I have done on this channel. And as always, Daydreamer, I'm Justin, your ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.